Autodesk Vault provides effective and efficient management and tracking of engineering change orders. A change order number is assigned automatically by Vault. You provide a change order title, description, and due date. During the change order process, the design documentation is referenced, and additional documents can be attached. Comments can be added and progress is captured automatically. Participants in the change order are assigned responsibility for processing a change order based upon Vault's configurable routings. These routings also assign appropriate authority for the user's role. Once saved, the change order process is initiated and progress is tracked and reported. Notifications are provided to the responsible participants via email, and open change orders can be seen in your Vault worklist. Decision makers and stakeholders have authority to process change orders through the workflow in the most appropriate and efficient way. Comments are made, progress is monitored, and notifications are sent, automatically creating an audit trail as the work moves along. Once a change order is accepted and processed to the point that the design needs to be changed, designers have the authority to edit the impacted documents by moving them into a work in progress state. At this point, Vault can automatically trigger a revision. Once design documents are edited to reflect the required changes, the change order is processed to the appropriate state. And once changes are verified complete, a final approval is given and the change order can be closed. This commits the revision and releases the new design documents with the changes. Vault will make the revised and released design documents available to the designated people. Design teams can choose standard or configurable processes for release and engineering change order management, helping communicate to avoid costly mistakes and remove process bottlenecks.